So this is a nice little true or false here. So for number one, if a function is not continuous at c, then it is not differentiable at c. Well, if we had it to be not continuous, that means that there was some form of a jump discontinuity or a asymptote there where it wouldn't necessarily touch the line. So it can't be differentiable in those two scenarios. So that would look like this. This is the one where there's an asymptote like that. It can't be differentiable at that point, x is c. And when we have a jump discontinuity like that, it's also not continuous, and therefore it's not differentiable right there. Number two, if a function is not differentiable at x equals c, then it is not continuous at x equals c. Well, differentiable is slightly different because the derivatives have to be equal to each other. So it could be continuous, and so if I were to draw a function that looks like this, this would be continuous because we don't have to lift up our pencil to make it work. But right here, the slope at this point coming from the left looks like this, and the slope coming from the right looks like this. And since those slopes aren't the same, then we know it cannot be differentiable. So if a function is differentiable at x equals c, then it is continuous. This one is going to end up being true. Any single time that we have something that's differentiable, it's always going to be continuous. And it's kind of important to remember that as we go forward. Just to recap, number one, if a function is not continuous at x equals c, then it is not differentiable. That is true. There's never going to be a time where it is not continuous and it is differentiable. If a function is not differentiable at x equals c, then it is not continuous. Well, we just proved that there is a situation where it could be continuous and not differentiable, so it's false.